Hey, good morning, guys. How are we doing? My name is Tana, and welcome to Crypto Bible. Just getting a quick news update for you guys this morning. There's quite a few things that we need to go through. I'll be posting a few videos throughout the day as well, just to kind of keep you guys updated. Like I said, I do apologize for yesterday. I already got the one video out. Usually, I'm banging out like 4 or 5. Just took a little bit of a day off yesterday, but we are back. We are back as per usual, and there's some good news circulating today. Well, however people want to kind of look at it as good news. And I've got my own opinion on it as well. So I kind of just wanted to read it for you guys and then give you my opinion. There's a lot of opinions surrounding this subject that we are going to cover today. But again, it is just something that we'll have to wait and see, how it does end up panning out in the future. And also in this video, I do want to just do a little bit of chart analysis for you guys on Bitcoin, just to have a look and see what we're doing, because obviously there is a little bit of a dip this morning, minor stuff. But I just want to kind of show you to make sense of it all, because something did happen that does make sense to why we have had this little dip in the market. So I'll kind of finish the video off just showing you guys that, and hopefully trying to check what we could potentially do in the near future for Bitcoin, and hopefully we have a good week. But without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. So the first thing I wanted to cover was this. So PayPal are actually hiring over 100 crypto positions as global cryptocurrency adoption rises. Now, with PayPal, we've been seeing them make quite a lot of movements recently, haven't we? We've been seeing them up their limits and their purchasing limits from £20,000 to £100,000. We've been seeing them create a new super app, as they like to call it. That's in the works anyway for cryptocurrency. And overall, my opinion on them is that I do actually think that they're going to be a big player in the future. Obviously, right now, the way that they run PayPal isn't like you can, trade cryptocurrencies on there. It is more about just kind of buying, holding it, and then just doing what you want. You can't really send it anywhere or anything like that. But I do personally think that they are gonna implement that in the future. I don't know what it is. The people that are working with PayPal, Elon Musk as well being involved. I do believe that they're going to create one mega super crypto app that a lot of people will just end up using regardless. And I do feel like they're going to go in a direction where they are just going to start listing coins maybe every week, until they do have a massive pool of cryptos that people are able to actually purchase on there. Probably start implementing features where they can buy, trade, and send stuff as well. Look, that's just my opinion. It ain't going to happen now. It will probably happen way further down the line. But that's what I think they're going to do, especially the way they're moving. It seems like they want to be going in that direction. So payments giant PayPal is hiring more than 100 crypto-related positions as demand for cryptocurrencies grow. PayPal's CEO recently revealed the company's expansion plans, stating, "We continue to be really pleased with the momentum we're seeing on crypto, and we're obviously adding incremental functionality into that." So PayPal crypto-related job postings. So PayPal is hiring more than 100 crypto-related positions as the company prepares to expand its crypto services. According to the job postings on the company's website, there are at least 102 job openings related to cryptocurrency and the blockchain technology at the time of me, filming this or them writing this article. While most of the jobs are located in the US, there are 5 job postings for positions in Tel Aviv, Israel, 6 in Ireland, 1 in Singapore, 1 in Hong Kong, and 5 in Guatemala City for PayPal's online money transfer service, Zoom. So within the US, 22 jobs are in California, 16 in New York, 13 in Texas, 9 in Arizona, and 8 in Illinois. A few other states have less than 5 job posted each. The positions range from crypto engineering managers, program managers, strategy managers, and blockchain AML analytics managers to investigators, operation managers, crypto investigation specialists, crypto tax reporting managers, and crypto legal directors. That says a lot. That really does say a lot. They seem like they're going to be having their backs fully covered. Now, obviously, PayPal will be one of those apps that are absolutely regulated in all jurisdictions, no matter what. They'll adhere to absolutely everything, right? So we know that they're going to be going down that route as well. And obviously, during a time of a lot of regulatory uncertainty, obviously surrounding Binance and quite a lot of other banks in general for crypto in the UK, I do believe that banks will probably side with PayPal when it does come to this. FCA as well. There's going to be a lot of regulations coming, and PayPal's going to have absolutely everything covered. And if they do play their cards right, if they do start adding features where they've got a load of cryptocurrencies available to purchase on there, they're listing some every single week. They've got the option to buy, sell, hold, send to different wallets or whatnot, and their fees are reasonable. Oh, you know what? You never know. You just never know what they can do, right? Because it may not just be PayPal, it will be PayPal crypto super app, as they're calling it. God knows what they can add into it. They could do what they want. And I do personally believe that with all of those positions, excuse me, that they've got listed right here, I don't see why not. I don't see why not. They'll have everything covered. And I think it'll be pretty cool to actually see that. There was a lot of opinions on my comments when I done a video on PayPal not too long ago where, people didn't really like the way PayPal were ran. They didn't like the people behind it or everything else. And I get that. 100% I do get that. But, if they're going to start offering us an app that, focuses on buying, holding, selling crypto, whatever you want to do with crypto, but, it's reasonable when it comes to fees and you can just basically do what you want on it. What's the problem? Do you know what I mean? What is the problem? And I feel like they're moving towards that way. I really do. With everyone involved with these job postings as well, over 100 job postings in crypto, why not? I don't see why not. But again, it's just speculation from me. It's just my opinion. So, I have to wait and see. PayPal CEO Dan Schulman outlined during the company's earnings call last week a number of ways the payment giant is expanding its crypto services, including launching a super app, open banking integration, UK expansion, and third-party wallet transfers. Well, there you go. I mean, I didn't even see that. I literally didn't even see that. So these are just this is just the beginning. It's literally just the beginning, right? UK expansion, open banking integration, and third-party wallet transfers as well. The CEO says we continue to be really pleased with the momentum seen in crypto, and we're obviously adding incremental functionality to that. The company said in its first quarter that its crypto service showed really great results. In April, Schulman said the demand for cryptocurrencies on PayPal's platform was multiple-fold initial expectations. PayPal recently increased its weekly crypto purchase limit to $100,000 and removed the annual limit altogether. This was a five-fold increase from the previous weekly limit of $20,000 and a substantial increase from the annual purchase limit of $50,000. A recent report shows the number of global crypto users reached 221 million in June. The number rose from 100 million to 200 million within only 4 months. So there you go. There you go. And look, this is the thing with PayPal. They got the name as well. They're kind of ready made with the name. All they've got to do is put a really good app together. And they could be flying. You just never know. And I wouldn't mind it. I do use PayPal myself, not for crypto. I've never actually used PayPal in regards to crypto. There's not really a lot you can do on it. But if they are going to start introducing things like this, absolutely, why not? You just never know. But look, we'll have to wait and see. It's good that PayPal are getting themselves involved. A massive name in the world, and it's just more adoption for crypto. So it's more bullish news for crypto altogether, right? Let me know what your guys' thoughts are, because I know there's a lot of opinions on it. So let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. And let's have a quick look at the Bitcoin chart, guys, because obviously we have had a bit of a dip there. Now, one thing I do need to just kind of point out to you guys. Let me go full screen. This is the daily chart for Bitcoin, right? And I've been seeing a little bit of panic, around Bitcoin over the last day due to the dip. If we just look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, we basically had 10 green days in a row, right? This is our first dip in 10 days. So people kind of need to just calm down a little bit. If you are worried, come on. We can't have it green all the time. We're going to have green days, we're going to have red days. But ultimately, we've got a little bit of a dip today. But let's find out why. One thing I've been showing everyone, and one thing I actually did do, guys, was teach everyone how to use a Fibonacci retracement tool. I actually showed you how to use it, what you could do with it. I'll leave the link to that right there, guys. I taught you guys how to use a Fibonacci retracement tool. Watch it after this video. Just going to explain what happened there. One thing you can find with Fibonacci retracements is where we can expect to find resistance on our way back up. Okay, so you can go over here, go to the Fibonacci retracement. If we go from the top all the way to our bottom right here, we found resistance right there at the point 382 at 42,606. pinpointed it. Literally couldn't have been any more perfect, right? And this, I said, once we broke out of our actual range, which our range would have been right in there, that would have been our range. I said once we broke out of that, the next level of resistance would have been the 0.382. And that is where we found our next level of resistance. So all we are doing is just, reacting to that. We couldn't break through it the first time. I fully expect Bitcoin to come back up and hopefully break it the next time. Obviously, not financial advice. It is just my opinion. And I don't know how long it will take for it to get back up there, but I do expect it to do that. Ultimately, where have we come back down to? We've come back down to these levels right here, which was previously resistance right here, right there as well. Okay, we're now on top of it, acting as support for us, which was previously resistance. So we're at a good level where it dipped to. Obviously, if it does dip any further, then cool. You just got to look a little bit down further. And as you can see, we'd probably expect to get down to the $37,500 mark. So, every time we go back down, it's always just about finding the support levels. Okay. But right now, we're literally on top of the first support level where I would have expected Bitcoin to get down to. And all we did was reject our first Fibonacci retracement. Okay. So I just thought I'd let you guys know that. It's always good to keep you guys updated. Not financial advice. You guys know the drill. Just my opinion. But yeah, that is basically what I'm looking for. And hopefully, with a bit more time, we could maybe make our way back up and see what we could do. But that is going to cover it for this morning's video. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Let me know by leaving a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure your bell icon is turned on so you don't miss any other videos. You guys join the Discord. Link is in the description below. And I'll see you guys very, very soon. Take it easy, people.